How to order on Shein app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So you can download the Shein app on your device via Play Store, but I prefer going for the Chrome browser. However, the process is same for both browser and the application. So just go to the official website of Shein and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now let's go to the me section just to make sure that we have signed in. So let's just sign in first. I'm gonna continue with Google and select the account that I've associated with Shein over here. After that, and logging in, all I have to go to is the home section. So here, for example, if I'm wanted to buy something regarding jewelry and accessories, I just have a tap on that section, and for example, I want to buy this particular thing, so just tap on the cart sign over here, then tap on add to cart. So after adding to the cart, all we have to do is go to the cart section, which is at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on this, and here you'll be able to see the different options of things that you have wanted to buy and you have added to the cart. Now to buy the things or order, what you have to do is just tap on checkout, select the items first and then checkout. After that, you just have to provide your location, your name, your phone number, and you just have to tap on save, and you'll be done to order on Shein. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.